Hey there, is your router acting up and displaying the dreaded message, no internet connection? Fear not. In this guide, we're diving into how to fix your Wi-Fi router when it says no internet connection. I'll walk you through practical steps to reconnect and get your online life back on track. Step 1. Check the physical connections. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, start with the basics. Ensure all cables connecting the modem, router, and your devices are securely plugged in. A loose cable or an unplugged power cord could be the simple culprit behind the connection issue. Step 2. Restart your router. Sometimes all your router needs is a quick reboot. Unplug the router's power cord from the outlet. Wait about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Give it a few minutes to power up and reestablish connection. This action can resolve temporary glitches and refresh the connection. Step 3. Restart your modem. If restarting the router alone doesn't work, move on to the modem. Unplug the modem's power cable from the outlet. Wait at least 30 seconds, then reconnect it. Once the modem has fully restarted, restart your router again to see if this restores your internet connection. Step 4. Check for service outages. Occasionally, the problem is not within your control, but lies with your internet service provider. Visit your ISP's website or social media channels to check for any known outages in your area. You can also reach out to their customer service for confirmation. Step 5. Update router firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity issues. Log into your router's admin settings, usually accessible by entering the router's IP address into a web browser. Check for any available updates and follow the instructions to update your firmware. This not only resolves issues, but also enhances security and performance. Step 6. Change your Wi-Fi channel. Wi-Fi interference from neighboring networks can impact connectivity. Access your router settings and change the Wi-Fi channel to one with less congestion. Channels 1, 6, or 11 are often recommended for minimal interference. Step 7. Reset the router to factory settings. As a last resort, reset your router to its factory settings. Locate the reset button, usually a tiny pinhole. Press and hold it for about 10 seconds using a paperclip. This wipes out all custom settings, so you'll need to set everything up again, including your Wi-Fi password and network name. By following these steps on how to fix your Wi-Fi router when it says no internet connection, you can troubleshoot and likely resolve most internet connectivity issues. Remember, starting with simple solutions often does the trick. And if all else fails, reaching out to your ISP for further assistance might be necessary. Reconnect, stay online, and enjoy your digital adventures.